Okay, Trout Babe, we're going, what's today, Sunday?
Sunday.
Is it the 20th or the 19th?
The 19th.
Sunday the 19th. It's a little windy today. Winds come out east 10 to 15. So we're going to stay kind of close to home. Storms are supposed to come in later this afternoon. So we're just going to catch a rising tide for a couple hours. Try and catch some trout or some jacks, Spanish mackerel, whatever's around. And we're not using shrimp today. We're just going with artificial soft plastics, and we'll see what we do.
All right.
There's first mate Karen. She wasn't my first mate, but she's my current first mate. And she's at the helm. We're heading out to Matlacha Pass. A little windy today. And we're trolling a couple of Yo-Zuri hard baits on the back here. And just to see if we can get anything off the troll as we go out to the fishing grounds. We'll be doing this for about half hour, 45 minutes. So we're going to be fishing with soft plastics. This little Goldie soft plastics, we really like the color and like the action. They're really good at catching trout and ladyfish and whatever else is out there. So no live bait today. We're just doing artificials. And we'll see what we do.
Whoa, he spit it up, but I got him on the camera.
Alright. There's a couple trout out here. Stay a little longer. As long as we keep getting bites.
We're on the east side of Matlacha Pass and just south of Oyster Creek over there.
And Karen with her first fish of the day. What is it? It is a little trout.
Yep. Oh,
And he
let himself
off.
Oh, he's just standing there.
Okay, he's waiting for you to bring it back, I guess.
Poor baby. Nice fish. Still got the Goldie there. Oh, he released.
Fish off.
How many is that?
Oh, I got about 8. Have a slow day, but we're having a round of water. Oh.
I think that might be the biggest one of the day.
I think so. That looks like that's a keeper size anyway. Get him in the boat. Look at that.
Nice.
Nice trout. Good job, kiddo.
Thank you.
Want me to help you with that fish?
Yes, please.
Yeah, you can take
I don't want
the
him
camera.
to swallow that gag thing.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice one. That's a keeper. Next year.
Trusty red pliers there, huh?
Oh, there we go.
Bye, fish.
Did you turn it off? Still recording. Karen with another trout. Decent size.
Nice.
Come over here and look at that baby. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, this one's for you.
Why?
He swallowed it.
Oh, okay. Alright, Rick to the
Or
rescue.
maybe he did.
Rick to the rescue.
Oh, good news. I think it's just in the corner of his mouth.
Then you can handle that, huh?
Maybe. Size ladyfish there.
There he goes.
Oop. I said keep him on there.
Yeah. Yeah, can't keep them all. Can't catch them all. We're gonna head in. We had a good day, caught a couple dozen trout.
I caught at least 12 that I saw or brought in, but I lost at least that many.
How many? 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, not a bad day.
No, pretty good.
We're heading in. Till next time.